I want to show you this Heat Storm 1500 watt infrared heater that I use for one of my smaller rooms. They've since upgraded it. It doesn't have the screen now. It has a little something different here on this side. Same heater. What I like about it is it's very easy to put up on the wall because it's super light. So for a 1500 watt heater, it weighs nothing. But the connectivity, it has Wi-Fi. And that was one of the biggest features that I was looking for. So LifeSmart app, you have to download that and register. And then you can connect this by a selective button here. You hold it, it activates, and you can find it on your Bluetooth on your phone, and you can control this thing. So say you want to turn the heater on or off while you're gone or on your way home. That was the biggest benefit for me. It works. I'm on my way home, it's cold. I get on the app before I leave, get the heater running. By the time I get home, room's nice and toasty. I love it. Again, it's a great heater. It's all metal, so it's very well built. It even has some little filters here on the side, which most of them don't have that. It sucks in air from both sides. It's got 3 fan speeds, really kicks out the air and the heat right here. You can actually see the glow of the infrared bulb coming out here when that thing is running. And you don't even have to worry, it doesn't have a ground. So that makes it a little easier for some older homes and things that might not have ground plugs. Overall, it's been a great experience, and I highly recommend the Heat Storm.